So now we are going to present the code of our system with the GUI interface. So now here is the main classes. In these classes, we have the coding to create the main page of our system. And in these pages, we have a menu button with the name of Start Order. This button will link to the food menu page for customer to order. So now this is the GUI of the main page. In this main page, we have the name of the restaurant, logo of the restaurant, and a button to start order. Once we click the start order buttons, it will link to the food menu page for ordering.
Alright, next we come to the order page. This page is the object of the class order, which extends the food menu class. That consists of the data such as the menu ID, menu name, as well as the price of the food. Basically, in this page, it consists of two main elements, which is the scroll panel and also the J button. In the scroll panel, it consists of J label that show the picture and also information about the food, while for the spinner number model, it shows the number of food that ordered by the customer. While for the J button's confirm order, while the customer click the confirm order, it will save the information about the food that ordered by the customer to the class, which is order information, which all the information about the food ordered by the customer will be saved here. In the case that the customer does not place order and click the button, then the zero exception will be thrown. Alright, so let's say we click the P Tamago S1 and also P Kani S1. Then we can enter the next page, which is the review order. For the review order page, it is contributed by the method of review order in the class order. In this page, it shows all the information about the food that ordered by the customer, such as the food name, the food number, and also the food price, and also the total price that need to pay by the customer. In this page, there is also two J button, which is the return and also the checkout. For the return button, in case the customer want to replace their order, they can click the button and go back to the order page in order to place more order. For the case the customer is already confirmed with what they want to order, they can click the checkout button to choose the payment method.
After clicking the checkout button, the page is then forwarded to payment method page. And at this page, customer can choose their preferred payment method, such as card, cash, or e-wallet. Customer can choose the payment method by pressing the radio button. For example, when we choose card as our payment method, customer have to fill up the card information such as the name of the card holder and the number of the card. There is one condition that when customer fill up alphabet in the card number column, the system will cache the number format exception. However, when customer choose to pay by cash, the page is then redirected to the confirmation page. And lastly, if customer choose e-wallet as their payment type, the e-wallet page is then show up and ask customer to enter the type of e-wallet they prefer, such as Grab or Touch and Go. There is one condition: when customer enter another type of e-wallet, then the e-wallet type exception is catched. After customer enter the type of e-wallet, customer have to scan the QR code to pay.
Here is the payment method confirmation classes, which are used to create the GUI for the payment method confirmations. It is used for the customer to confirm their payment method. So here is the coding for create the J-frame and the J button. And here are the method of display payment method. We are using the polymorphisms to display the payment method and the informations. So now, here is the GUI of the payment method. If the customer saw that the payment method is incorrect, they can click the return buttons, return to the payment method page, and select the other payment method, such as cash. Then, if they confirm the payment methods, they will click the confirm buttons and links to the receipt page.
This is the receipt page, which extends the receipt info class. In this page, it will show the address of the restaurant, the contact number, the table number, and the invoice number. Most importantly, there are some J panels which show the quantity of the food, name of the food, and the price of the food, and it will also show the total price for the food. And at the end, there is a J button, which is the exit button. If the customer wish to stay at the page, they will have to choose no, else they have to choose yes to exit from the system.